Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals tour. And today we are going to be talking about operations. So, I've already introduced you to one operation right here, which is assignment. We are giving variables a value by using the equals. But if we wanted to test if a variable is equal to another variable, we would say like num underscore equal to underscore num. So in this case, we would be able to test if, so we would say a new variable. So let's say test underscore is equal to num equal to underscore num. And in this case, num underscore is 1, underscore num is 1. So they are equal, and that will give a value of true back as the value for test underscore. Another option that we could do is, so come back to here, say we wanted to do some different operations on this num variable. So we say num underscore plus equal 1. It's the same thing as num underscore plus plus, except this is the longhand form. Or we could even do num underscore equals num underscore plus 1, which is the even longer hand form of num underscore plus plus. This would be more for if you wanted to add 2. And let's say 3 there, just because I like cascading variables. Then we have the opportunity to just do stuff like minus equal as well. So if you wanted to subtract. And let's see, we could also do math as well. We could just say num underscore, let's get rid of that, times equals 3. So if we wanted to multiply it by 3, we could do that. And then we also have other options such as our division and modulo, which are actually very important ones that you'll be using more often later on. So if we say num underscore is equal to num underscore mod 3. So if num was 6, mod 3, what mod does is give you the remainder of your division. So if we, well, let's change that to 2 because it'll be easier to see. So num underscore mod 2 would give us a value of 0 because there is no remainder when 6 is divided by 2. However, if we go num underscore equals num underscore div 2 and num underscore is equal to 6, then dividing by 2 would give us a value of 3 because 6 can be divided by 2 3 times. So I hope that gives you a good idea what the difference is. There's a lot of other different operations that you can do, such as comparing with greater than or equal to. So again, num underscore is equal to num underscore greater than 1. So that would again give you a true or false value if you if the operation, if num is greater than 1. So if num is 2, then you would be true. If num is 1, then it would be false because 1 isn't greater than 1. And stuff like there are more advanced operations such as unary and bitwise operations, which we won't go into as well. So thank you very much for watching, everybody, and good luck with your programming.